sila mismo,
Mm.
they wrestle with this eh. As most queer Filipinos growing up in either a Catholic or
Mm.
a Protestant faith community, no, they
Mm.
wrestle with this.
Yes.
And usually the things that they think about is common to naririnig, no, yung as long as wala akong tinatapakan, wala akong inaagrabyadong tao,
Yes.
nagmamahal lang naman ako, I'm just being myself.
Yes.
No, so that's good. I would say that's already their way of theology. No? Nagti-theologize na sila sa wrestling with these questions.
Yes.
Ako naman, specifically, I also had my journey. I studied about it, and I would say na there are so many things about Christianity, theology, that has not been the same across the centuries. You know, in the same way na slavery was once justified and permitted, you know, because it's allowed. It's mentioned in the Bible that it's okay.
Yes.
But today, no serious Christian church or leader would espouse that, you know, as far as I know. You know, so there are many things about Christianity, the Bible, theology na it changes over the centuries, and I guess, and ini-struggle over the centuries. So I guess this is also one of those, no, na at this point in time, several decades, several centuries, we are wrestling with the issue of sexuality, you know. But I would say na whatever science has told us about sexuality, I think we need to listen. Churches, church leaders should listen to it, and because at least in the faith perspective, it's also a revelation of God.